In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Personalize. Now tap on Fonts. Tap on any of those you wanna apply, and when you're ready, go back. Your changes will be automatically applied. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!